the really motivation was just to decrease the amount of money that we're spending on power.
Yeah.
The power companies in Western New York just seem like every year they're increasing rate. June was our third year.
Okay.
So since then, and I have yet to pay for power.
That's fantastic.
I
That's awesome.
have yet to pay for power at all.
Uh-huh.
My electric bill is $15.11 a month. When you came to the house and gave us the actual estimate, sat down with us, answered questions, and again, it was a no pressure sales. I mean, here it is, black and white. This is what you want. Fine. If not, okay. Now you do everything virtual instead of coming to the house, but still,
Mhm.
it's no pressure sales.
Absolutely. Yeah. It's more of an education process
As far
for
as
sure.
the installation was concerned, I have to give you an A+. Look, if you're serious, I'll give you a phone number. You call them, they'll take care of you. I guarantee it. I will
Perfect.
stake my reputation on that part that these guys will take care of you.